Inflation is when the things we buy like food, housing and clothes start to cost more money. It's like the money in your wallet doesn't go as far as it used to. So what causes this inflation? Well, it's a mix of factors including government printing more money, economic growth, supply chain issues and global events. Inflation affects us all, but especially those living paycheck to paycheck. It's like a silent salary cut. Your money doesn't go as far, and you might need to make some tough choices. Now, let's talk about what you can do to protect yourself from inflation. Here are some tips. Invest wisely, diversify your income, save smartly, spend mindfully. Let's look at some real life examples of how inflation affects us. Imagine your favorite coffee shop raises price by 10% or your rent goes up by 5%. These small changes add up. I spoke with a financial expert to get their take on inflation. Here is what they had to say. Inflation is a natural part of the economy, but it's essential to be prepared. Diversify your investment and stay informed. Remember, inflation might be outside of our control, but how we respond to it is entirely up to us. Stay informed, stay smart, and keep building wealth. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money tips and tricks. See you on the next video.